you up, I don't need your love, 'cause I already cried enough. I've been done, I've been moving on since we said goodbye. I cut you off, I don't need your love, so you can try all you want. Your time is up, I'll tell you why. You say you're sorry, but it's too late.
Yeah. You guys, kabulong ako. We're at, asan tayo? Baler, Aurora. And then we're in infamous palete tree. Ayan na sila. Ayan si Patrick. Hi! Hi ka.
Nunong ka na ba?
Kamusta ang pagpasok sa mahiwagang mundo?
Oh! Ako, Patrick! Ako, doon!
Girk, hi!
Bad trip.
Picture! Uy, picture!
Let's go?
Saan tayo after nito?
Yung waterfalls.
Waterfalls! Basta ka chinelas lang.
I'm ready. Under Armour.
Yeah!
Galing sa Divisoria.
Pwede na.
Bad trip.
Kain na kami! Look at the puppy! Oh my God! Look at that small one! Hello!
Shout out to them people.
Ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not 'cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop.
Yay!
So if you look to the left, you will see a stone. If you look to the center, you will see me. Call me 0997-634.
Oh, karoon mo talaga. Anong tawag sa lugar na to?
Mato Beach.
Feeling ko matutulas ako any moment. Woo! The weather is really cold. Ba't ako nadulas? Kasalanan mo. Nandito kami kung saan. Asan tayo?
Naghakbang si Rizal.
Wait, take a picture of me. Smile. Do I take a picture or just a video?
Take a picture.
Oh! Sumama ka kaya?
Duh.
We'll do a story time.
You hold.
Okay, so one time, actually I'm like the professional vlogger. I will vlog for Nicole. Hey guys, what's up? So we're just on the way to Museo de Baler. Baler. No, honestly, I think I should be the vlogger. And hi, everyone's staring now.
May I get my best piece? This is my best piece.
Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel. I don't really post videos, but subscribe.
Sa gabing malamig, bituin sa langit.
Sige.
Sa gabing
Maliligaw. Hindi malalaki. Ayop eh.
Sensor.
Oo, tara tulog. Lalaki ka eh. Tawag dito. Dapat susunod ka sa ace.
Bawal daw mag-swimming, pero pwede mag-surf.
I have a trick.
Ang pangit ng trick. No, tapos biglang tuloy-tuloy.
Na.
Ano ba yung laway mo, ha?
Hello from the outside.
Shy!
Ano ba yan, Ben? Side!
I like the second voicing ah.
Sobrang lakas kasi ng aalon. It's sobrang lakas ng
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I can't.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Wait. Yo guys, it's currently 6:17. We're having a bad day. I was really expecting we could do fun stuffs for the first day, but we didn't actually did something today. Except kumain, tas kumain ulit. Other than that, everything is a fail. Yung tapsilog nila tuyo, yung Milo nila puno yung tubig, kaya walang lasa. Yung bangos nila hindi nila minarinade. Tapos yung kanila may tutong. Babawi tayo sa sagada. So, I hope the next day will be great. Yeah, it will be a great day tomorrow and we will do some fun stops. I want to surf but I feel like para ako malulunod, ganun. I don't really know how to entertain you guys or how to talk in front of the camera just to say something blah blah blah, how to update. Most of the time, I can't update you because nahihiya ako sa harap nila. But yeah, anyways, I hope that this vlog will be enjoyable to view or to watch. So guys, it is day 2 of Baler. Hopefully, as I said yesterday, sana may magawa kami ngayon. And sana tumila na yung ulan kasi wala kami talagang nagagawa. It is currently 7:47 and I will be showing you the view. It is very, very pretty. Yan. Good morning.
Set up vlog. So welcome to my
Second day.
Guys, you have the bridge. It's hanging because it's hanging.
Punta kami sa hanging bridge. Sana hindi umulan.
Rachel. Lalaglag yung cellphone ko. Malaglag ka na. Huwag na cellphone ko ha.
Magkano ganyan? Parang ano ate? 5 piso isa? Mahal naman.
Cute. Here we go.
Yes, sir!
Yay! Woo! Hey!
Wala, tumatak. Pag lahat ng bigat nandito, wala.
Say hi! Hi! Yes! Hi!
Try mo diba? Bilis na rin ka.
Woo! Ang puti ko dito. Sobrang puti. Woo! Tan 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 tan.
not my phone. It's not my phone. When hanging free, sobrang ganda. Gagi ang tulan! Oy! 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 Teka lang! Teka lang! Bakit nakaganon yung alog niyo? Oy, teka lang! Teka lang! Hala, hala! Bakit ganon? Ganon talaga. Wait! Guys, hi!
You kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing.
Wala pa ako sa kanahape!
Ano malupit?
Yay!
Start. So ladies and gentlemen, we're at the souvenir shop. Baler, there are many things to discover. Fridge magnet, t-shirts, and lastly, ashtray. It's suitable for all ages.
Yay! Ah! Say hi to the vlog! Hindi kami tutuloy sa taas kasi daw 1 kilometer pa tapos nakasara yung road kaya hindi kami makakagamit ng van. Lamig!
Bawal daw.
Bawal mag-swimming! Yo guys, so I realized I didn't get to end the vlog here. Pretty much it is day, when was the last, I don't even remember when was the last footage. And I'm going to be editing the video now. February na tapos January yung clips na mapapanood nyo. So anyways, stay tuned because I will be doing a cover with someone. I don't want to say too much information, so be on the lookout for that. So yeah, if you did like this video, make sure to hit that like button to give a bang in the face and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and girls so much for watching this week's video, and as always, empower your style so your style can empower you. Bye guys.
She loves control.